Hi, good day everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use calculator in matrices. First thing first, we have to know the dimension of the matrix. Now we look at matrix A. Okay, the row is 3, column also 3. For matrix B, we have 1, 2, 3 row and 2 column. For matrix C, we have 2 row and 3 column. Okay, next, we are going to insert the data in the calculator. First, we go to mode and we choose matrix number 6 and we choose matrix A. We name it as matrix A. The dimension is 3 by 3, so we press 1 and then we are going to insert the element. First is -1 and then press equal. 0, press equal. -2. Two, 1, 0. Okay, now we already insert the data for matrix A. Okay, we press AC. Now we are going to insert data for matrix B. Shift 4, we press Shift 4. We choose 1. And then we choose matrix B, number 2. Okay, look at the dimension. We have 3 by 2. 3 by 2 will be number 2. Now we insert the data by row. So 1, -1. And then press equal. -1 equal 0, 2 and -1. Okay, now done with the matrix B. Okay, you press AC. Now we are going to insert C. Shift 4. Okay, C. Still we are going to choose dimension number 1. Okay, matrix C is 3. Okay, 2 row, 3 column. 2 row, 3 column will be number 4. And then we insert by row. The element by row. -1, 0, 3, 0, and -1. Okay, now all the data, matrix A, B, and C are already in the calculator. Okay, first question, we are going to find transpose of A. So we go to Shift 4. Okay, look at here, number 8. Transpose, number 8. Transpose of matrix A. So Shift, number 4. We are going to select matrix A. We are going to choose number 3. Number 3. And then transpose of matrix A will be -1, 2, -1. 0, 1, 1, -2, 0, 0. Okay, now settle with the inverse. Not inverse, transpose. Okay, next we are going to find the determinant. Okay, we go to Shift number 4. Determinant will be number 7. Number 7. And then we select, let's say, for matrix A. Shift 4. Matrix A will be number 3. And then we press equal. So determinant for matrix A is -6. Okay, we try to find determinant for matrix B. Go to AC. Shift number 4. 7 and choose matrix B. Shift 4, matrix B will be 4. Equal. Okay, so the dimension error means the determinant of matrix B we cannot find because the dimension and the dimension of the matrix must be equal number of row and column. The same goes to matrix C. Okay, now we are going to find the multiplication of matrices. Okay, the first question, we have A square. A square means A multiplied by A. So we go to shift for matrix A, number 3. We press the multiplication button, multiply by matrix A. Shift 4 and select number 3, equal. So we have 3, negative 2, 2, 0, 1, negative 4, 3, 1, 2. Okay, now we calculate for multiplication of matrix B with C. Shift number 4. Matrix B will be number 4, multiply matrix C. Shift 4, select matrix C, number 5. And then you press equal. So here we have the product of B and C. Okay, next we are going to find the inverse of A. So you press AC, shift number 4, matrix A will be number 3, and then the button X to the power of negative 1. We press here, and then we press equal. So here we have the element for matrix inverse of A. So we have 0, 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3, 0, 1 over 3, 2 over 3, negative 1 over 2, negative 1 over 6, and 1 over 6. So hope this video will help you to do the tutorial question more easily. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.